Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the wonderful world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here today. Our word of the day is amount. It's a B2 level verb, and it means to add up to or result in something. Let's break it down. When we use amount, we're usually talking about a total or the final result of something. For example, if you say, the repair costs amount to a lot of money, it means the total cost is high. It's a great word to use when discussing sums, totals, or outcomes. Now, let's explore some synonyms for amount. Words like total, sum, and equal work in similar ways. For instance, you could say, the project's expenses totaled $200, or all the donations combined equal a generous amount. Each of these captures the same general idea. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms. Words like reduce or diminish are the opposite of amount. For example, you might say, the efforts to save money reduce the final cost, or the new rules diminish the expenses significantly. These words highlight a decrease or lessening instead of a total result. How does amount show up in everyday life? You might hear it in contexts like finances, planning, or even casual conversations. Think about phrases like, this all amounts to a misunderstanding, or the time we've spent together amounts to some great memories. It's versatile and can be used in both formal and informal settings. Here are a few more examples to get a better feel for amount in action. All the ingredients together amount to a delicious cake. The team's hard work amounts to a well-deserved victory. Her efforts in the community amount to a lasting impact. That wraps up our look at today's word, amount. We've covered its definition, synonyms, antonyms, and practical usage in daily life. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and we'd love to hear your feedback. Before we go, I have a challenge for you. Can you create your own sentence using amount? Share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and until next time, keep learning and keep growing.
See you soon.